Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update webhooks for Stripe checkout in Make.com step by step clearly. To update webhooks for Stripe checkout in Make.com, start by logging into your Make.com account. Once you are in your dashboard, navigate to the scenario where you want to update the webhook. Locate the Stripe module within your scenario. Click on the Stripe module to open its settings. Find the option labeled Webhook. Click on Webhook to access the current configuration. Next, go to your Stripe dashboard in a separate tab. In your Stripe dashboard, navigate to the Developers section. Within the Developers section, click on Webhooks. Here, you will see a list of existing webhooks. Identify the webhook you want to update. Click on the webhook to view its details. Locate the endpoint URL field where the current URL is displayed. Copy the endpoint URL from your Make.com scenario. Switch back to your Stripe dashboard. In the endpoint URL field, paste the copied URL from Make.com. Make sure to select the events for which you want to receive notifications. Once you have configured the events, click on Update. Finally, return to your Make.com. Check for any errors or notification messages that may appear. For additional confidence, try creating a test transaction to verify the webhook response. Once everything is confirmed, you are successfully updated the webhooks for Stripe checkout in Make.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.